As companies rapidly make digital investments, is there an expectation that users should understand technology, or should technology adapt to the users? I'm Khadim, co-founder and CEO at Whatfix, a pioneer in userization of software, maximizing ROI on enterprise tech stack. If you look at any enterprises, whether it's their sales stack, whether it's their marketing stack, or whether it's their procurement or finance stack, it's a configuration of multiple software, either built internally or they have bought externally from a vendor. They customize and integrate it together. And there's a rapid change due to the process changes in the company because they want compliance. And there's a continuous innovation or new feature introduction in the stack. It's very hard for users or employees to actually keep pace of those changes and to learn on a continuous basis. Let's look at the behavior of a user today, right? In last 10, 15 years, what has changed? We get movies on demand, Netflix. We get a cab on demand, Uber. We do shopping on demand, Amazon. But if you look at the user or employee in terms of learning and training and adoption, we still were looking at the legacy way of classroom trainings, raising a support ticket and waiting for the response, or we were actually dumped with the documentations or wikis or PDFs, right? Why can't the learning and training when the change management is happening can be on demand? The expectation from users is they need to be tech savvy. But are we looking everything in the wrong way? Why not? Technology can be user savvy. This is what we call userization. So the shift has to change from technology to the user. And for that, we need an AI-powered, data-driven digital adoption platform, which can understand the challenges the users are facing, the business are facing, and help them realize the ROI and help them adopt the technology seamlessly. That's what Whatfix tries to do. Whether it's you are using any software in your day-to-day work, the company, it creates a layer of adoption or a GPS on top of a software, which guides the user step by step in the moment of need, which is very unique to users' requirement and helps them to complete tasks. During this guidance process or usage, Whatfix continues to track the processes, the gaps in the processes, what features are getting used, where are users getting stuck, and continuously we can help them to improvise the adoption. Along with all these applications, whether it's CRM, ERP, supply chain, or any of those hundreds of software, Whatfix also gives an aggregated view with an enterprise insights for a department or for a company, what's working, what's not working across department, which softwares are getting maximum ROI, where the users are not able to adopt and take those actions. Similarly, during the sales process, it can actually guide the sellers to comply to a metric process or a sales process. It can actually help finance to comply with their procurement process. So it really helps in terms of improving the productivity and reduces turnaround time and improves the business KPIs. In the long run, we expect all the softwares to be userized so that technology adapts to users in terms helping the users to be most productive and software adapt to the users' need rather than traditional approach of expecting users to be tech savvy, which is very expensive and unsustainable. It's time for technology to adapt to users rather than expecting users to adapt technology. That's userization. All our softwares, whether it's mirror, adoption platforms on web, desktop, mobile, analytics, hub, or enterprise insight, they are built on userization philosophy. Today, with AI plus DAP, userization has accelerated. We'll continue our journey of ensuring that all softwares in the world are userized and we realize the maximum potential of the digital transformation. I'm Khadim, co-founder and CEO at Whatfix. Thanks for watching.